ChatGPT voice record not working in browser. If I try to record voice in ChatGPT showing this error, enable mic access to decade. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all, tap on three dot icon and then go to settings option. Now scroll down and go to side setting option. Now allow microphone permission. Just tap on microphone. Now allow microphone permission. Just select site can ask for your microphone and then remove ChatGPT from not allowed section. Just tap on three dot icon and then tap on remove. Now go back to home screen. Now find Google Chrome browser and then press and hold on Google Chrome apps. Now open Chrome app info. Now go to permission option. Now go to microphone option and allow microphone permission and then go back to home screen. Now press and hold on power button and then restart your phone. After this step, now go to Chrome browser and see problem solved successfully. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.